Hey everyone, I have an update. So, how do you get on Clubhouse without an invite? Okay, so this is how it's been working. I've been able to let 7 people in, and this is what was kind of unique about them. They followed me on Twitter, Instagram, and were in my cell phone contact list when I signed up. Okay, and when I signed up, it does ask if the app can access your contacts, and I said yes. Okay, so when they signed up, when they were asked that, they said yes, and so I believe that's how we were paired together, and I received a green notification that said, do you want to allow this person in without using an invite? Because I don't have an invite now, okay, because I give that to my one of my staff, okay. And so if you have a long lost friend or business associate that happens to be on there and you join, even if they're not talking to you, they will still get a notice if they are. Most of the time, I've had a couple of people where I do talk to them. They're in my contacts for a long time and they joined and I didn't get any notification and we can't figure out why. Okay. So it's kind of like hit or miss. And in the Clubhouse, there is a chat that's always ongoing, which is like different things to do with Clubhouse, like etiquette and how to use the app and stuff like that. And so in there, they were talking about these very issues, and they too, even the people that work with the app, were having spotty, kind of intermittent connections where they could let people in. But there's still no word on getting extra invites. I've heard that it's dependent on how many people are following you and how many people you're following. And so I'm trying to get as many followers as I can and follow as many people as I can to see if I can get another invite, but I have not yet. So I don't know if that works or not. So I hope this helps you guys. So if you're hesitant, just sign up. And then if for some, great thing happens and you get let in by someone who just happened to have your information in their phone, that would be awesome. Okay, so good luck. I wish I could help more. I can't let anybody in that wasn't in my contact list before I signed up, unfortunately. I wish I could help everybody, but I can't. But best of luck to you. Don't give up. Eventually you'll get in. Okay, all right, bye-bye.